What's up, YouTube? Going back with another video. We got the dirty Chrysler. We about to go to a car meet, car show, whatever it is. It's big though. It's like it started at 6. It's like 3, 4 o'clock right now, and it's packed already. First time ever going. We taking the Chrysler because the Thunderbird is out of commission, like always. I was gonna watch it, but I'm not. So let's go to the trunk, get my secret stash out. I don't even know what I was aiming the camera at, by the way. Boom. Your boy, you know, we gotta get one of them, you know, got the whole 10 pack. You already know how we gonna pop. I was gonna say pop a cold one, but they ain't really cold. Anyway, we gotta get moving. Because, oh shit. Because car show basically starting, cold start. Boom. Horsepower, not but horsepower. Anyway, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get there or halfway there. Anyway, I need y'all to pray for me, because you ever been to a car show with your ex? Yeah, I'm going with my ex, and I wonder how it's going to turn out. Should turn out good, though, because we like best friends before we started going together, so you already know. Anyway, oh shit, it's hot. Okay, anyway, see y'all when I get there. Gotta get gas. Let's go. I still don't see shit. Tell them who we at.
We are arriving at the car.
Why you do this every time you start recording?
What?
We are at the we are that.
I do not do that.
That's the fuck you do. But hey,
I don't see shit.
We just pulled up. We don't see shit.
What shit at?
Where the shit at?
What the fuck?
Be a nigga pissed.
Did you put in the right location?
Hey, I've hit the thing. I'm gonna just ride down the road and see what's okay. It's nearby. I done seen the ass of like lit
well,
cars.
let's just keep riding. Oh, there it go. There it go.
Oh,
yes, it is.
You seen 3 cars.
I seen a lot. Y'all see it? Can y'all see it?
I don't see shit.
How zoom in?
No, because you ain't about to mess with nothing.
Man, I want them to see the cars. Oh, you gotta talk to people.
Oh, hell.
Should I record them?
Nah. Like,
how I pause?
You can't. Just hit the bit simple button. Alright, so update. Oh, shit. Nice ass Mustang. Look at the Mustang. Anyway, what we gotta do? Oh, I forgot to go get some money because it's $5 for parking. And I see this lit Miata that I should have showed y'all, but you know, cameraman ain't like a good one, so y'all didn't get to see it. But now I gotta go to the gas station. I was like, yo, it's an ATM. I thought you were gonna say there's one over there, but nah. He told me to go back to the damn gas station. Like I couldn't figure that out myself. I'm in the camera. So I gotta go get some money, and I update y'all when we get there. What? Oh my god. Man. What is it, all? The blue car, what is it?
RX-7.
Oh, who?
RX-7.
Wrong.
What is it?
RX-7. Look at that Hellcat we saw earlier. I don't feel like doing the zooming in shit, but pretty sure that's the GT500, but I don't know for sure. Cause I don't know shit. Then I was like, alright, whatever. That shit, like, you know who made that car? I'm gonna buy you a whatever that is. I'm gonna get you one.
I don't want it.
Why?
It's ugly.
That's ugly. Them fucking Lamborghini dude.
Okay, no, that's kind of cute.
That's not. You fake. Cause I said I can do that to my Thunderbird. You like it?
I don't.
Fox body game.
I'm fake because I didn't like it on your Thunderbird.
Yup. Babe,
Oh, we saw that green Thunderbird at Facebook.
it look good on
It do.
me.
It looks
Yeah.
amazing. My daddy said, is that the Thunderbird? I was like, that's the car Trevor was telling me about.
That thing look good. Like, just like that truck. I don't even like read it.
He was like, Trevor want it? I was like, I suppose so. He told me not this.
I don't want it. I want it, but I don't. If I ain't have one, I would. Look at that. I'm gonna get me a. No, I want it. 3.
It's not one of those.
What?
It's not one of those. What color is it?
Fox body.
Yeah, my uncle had one.
And my granny got one.
I don't know where it's at though.
It's like a cotton candy like color. I gotta get this Genesis because of the wheels. Like, they shiny. Okay, no phones. You gotta respect cars. That's ugly. I'm sorry. That's not ugly. Look, this Honda. That's ugly. I'm sorry though. See, I could have brought my car here. I could have brought the Chrysler out here.
No.
Chrysler look better than this. Say it down.
It do.
Okay. That looks safe.
Something stupid.
That lady had her leg propped up.
Oh.
M3, that's what, oh my god.
Oh, they got Italian irons.
Okay, but look at this M3.
They got Italian irons.
I don't care about it. And then Subaru look good as fuck. That's this place overhyped. So this shit trash. But anyway. Hold on. I gotta get in front of it. Cause that look good. What? What? That Miata look good. It got teeth. Babe. Come on. Wear it up.
What?
Not that. Come on. This is making me want to trade the Chrysler in on a Subaru. Like, that shit looks so good.
WRX.
Oh my god.
That light, it got lights in it.
Yeah, I seen that. It's like the S2000, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty tight. So, I get so fucking awkward around people when I'm recording. You have to call out and let the windows are accurate. Huh?
No.
Anyway, so, the commie is straight. It's not like Quaker steak. Shaken steak. It's not shaken steak here. It's Quaker steak. Because shaken steak is in Augusta. But, we in the parking lot now waiting on the Rev match. At 8 and it's like 7 o'clock. It's not that mean, like the parking lot to get into the place, like the parking lot where we parked at, the parking lot is better than the car show, kind of. Even though it's like a bunch of Honda shit everywhere and a Camaro, but it look good. It's an old school Z28 that's in the video. That's like the best Camaro I've seen in my whole life. I thought it was Ayla. Don't look like Ayla. I don't know it though. She just smiled like Ayla. That like Kavasi. Anyway. And so a lot of footage I recorded.
Actually, a little bigger than she is.
No, she's
just
not.
A little bit.
Like, that's outside fit.
Okay.
What was I saying? A lot of footage I recorded at the car show. God damn it, people right here. I ain't gonna be able to use because of the simple fact all the damn music playing. So I'm just gonna turn it into like a big ass montage probably.
Just
like,
push the whole donut down his throat. Holding, not biting.
Okay. So I'm gonna have to make a big ass montage. And like throw clips in of me talking, and then the montage again. This is so ugly. Can y'all see that? Like the mud flaps on this thing.
I'm pretty sure your channel want to see more of me.
Pretty sure it don't. It's a GT500 over there with the BMW M3. My next project car after the Thunderbird gotta be an old school M3. Like that shit's so sexy. Anyway, I'm about to let y'all like get back to the cars because I'm done talking. Simple as that. I ain't had no content, so I had to come to the thing. Like an hour away and it was not worth it at all. I could have did better at home, you know. Wow. Okay. Anyway, see y'all in a little bit. Okay, just that quick, I forgot. I don't remember if I said this already or not, so I'm gonna say it real fast. There's like a lot of music playing at the commie, and like you ain't ready to hear me talking anyway. So that's why I was like a bunch of fucking montages going on, and that's why I was like the lack of talking. Even though I don't talk that much when I'm at a car meet anyway. I was gonna start, but I can't because all the music playing. So I had to do what I could do. Now I'm out. Now and like watch the rest of the car show. Deuces.